Today I have a relaxing thrifting video for you, so come thrift with me and Goodwill. Let me show you what all they have out on the shelves, and then I'll share with you what I brought home here in just a little bit. So I spot something across Goodwill here. I'm trying to point it out to y'all. I do not know if you can even tell what I'm pointing at, but we are going to get over there here in just a little bit. And the item that I pointed at, I actually do end up purchasing. So I'm excited for y'all to see that here shortly. So just stay tuned, continue thrifting with me, and then I'll show you what that was here in just a minute. So several videos back, I posted a video where I went thrifting at the Goodwill bins and purchased a heating pad for my little dog's bed. Well, look at this bed right here, y'all. It is a heated bed. I did not even know that they made such a thing for a dog, so I thought that that was too funny that I had just bought a heating pad for my little dog's bed and that they actually make dog beds that are heated, that you plug in and they heat up. Now, who knew? So I love thrifting for and purchasing coffee mugs at the thrift store. This one caught my eye. I absolutely loved it. Did not like the price tag of $5.99, so I was curious, why is this priced so high? Coffee mugs are normally like $1.29 or something like that. And as you can see here on the screen, this is obviously a very desirable mug, and they go for about $30 to $40 for a set of them. Looks like maybe it come from Target originally. I'm not sure, but it was beautiful, but I'm not paying $5.99 for this one coffee mug at the Goodwill. This is a Wexford pitcher that they do have priced, I believe, at $9.99. That's a pretty reasonable price for this piece. And y'all, this looks gorgeous with a bouquet of flowers in it. I have put many a bouquets of flowers in my Wexford pitcher, and it is gorgeous. I have a little casserole dish holder that looks very similar to this. Mine's a little more worn out, but I kind of like that look. But if you see one of these at the thrift store, think outside of the casserole dish holder and think about how you could use this differently. So I got blessed one year at the Salvation Army with a bunch of free paperback books. And so what I did is I come home and I took the covers off of those books and I put them in my casserole dish holder like that I have. And it looks so beautiful sitting on a shelf. You can actually distress those books once you take the cover off and just make those books look very old and country, and it just gives a shelf or a spot just a very vintage, beautiful look. Now, I do not have the knowledge to know whether or not this is a good value on all of this silverware here in this box, but I do know that it was beautiful. If you know anything about silverware, if you are a reseller, or if you have just information on this, let us know down in the comments. Was this a good deal? Was this a good brand? It was gorgeous for sure, but again, I'm not a reseller, so I don't have a lot of knowledge on what is good and what is not when it comes to silverware. So if you do, definitely give us all the information down below. So one of the things that I purchased and brought home today is this beautiful little wood cutting board. I have such a soft spot for cutting boards. I love the wood tones of them against my white cabinets and walls, and they just remind me of the old days. Like, I can just see somebody pulling down this little cutting board, cutting up some garlic or an onion, just something very small and simple for their supper. I just absolutely love this piece. And then the next thing that I brought home was, of course, this basket. I already have 2 of these, but I love them so much. I'm trying to just get a good collection of these and stack them up in my master bedroom. And I do actually use these for my laundry, to take my laundry to the washer and dryer and then bring back in the house to fold. And then I just stack them on the hope chest in my bedroom until I need them again. Now, I did purchase a item for Briley because she was with us on this trip. I purchased her a pair of white blue jean shorts for $1.99, and she was super excited about those. Now, I am about to go get ready for my anniversary dinner with my amazing husband. I hope that y'all have a wonderful weekend. We love y'all, and I'll see you next week for a brand new video.